This is my Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. It's a 2020, and this is just a video check between standard headers, and I've got brand new headers. Well, I'll show you in a second. I've got brand new full stainless steel headers from Verex Tasmania. So it's just, and I've got Powerage exhaust from India. So it's just a little sound bite as to how it sounds as compared to the other one. So that's the new headers installed. Thank you for sending me, Verex Tasmania.